Let me introduce you to the Watt Interactive Calculator, a free tool that instantly solves one of the most fundamental problems in electrical engineering: calculating the relationship between power, voltage, current, and resistance in any DC circuit. Whether you're designing a motor control system or sizing conductors, this calculator eliminates manual calculations and reduces errors. The calculator has 4 input fields representing the core electrical parameters. Power, measured in watts, represents the rate of energy transfer in your circuit. For typical applications, you'll see values from milliwatts, for sensors up to several kilowatts for industrial motors. Voltage, in volts, is your electrical potential difference. Common values range from 3.3 volts for microcontrollers to 480 volts for three-phase systems. Current, measured in amperes, shows electron flow rate. You'll encounter microamps in signal circuits up to hundreds of amps in power distribution. Resistance in ohms represents opposition to current flow, from fractions of an ohm in conductors to megaohms in insulation. Here's a practical example. You're sizing a DC motor that draws 15 amps at 24 volts. Enter 24 in the voltage field and 15 in the current field. The calculator instantly shows 360 watts of power consumption and 1.6 ohms of circuit resistance. Now you know you need conductors rated for at least 15 amps and a power supply capable of delivering 360 watts continuously. The output values directly inform your design decisions. Power tells you heat dissipation requirements and energy costs. Resistance helps you select appropriate components and calculate voltage drops in your system. Remember, always use RMS values for AC calculations, not peak values. Find the link in the description below.